Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Haylou GT7. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones. And if it doesn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So put your headphones to the charging case, close the case, after that open it again, remove your headphones from the charging case, and that's it. That's it. Now, if it also doesn't help you, we should remove and add your headphones. So put your headphones to the charging case, close it. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device. And then open the case. Remove your headphones from the charging case. So it should enter to pairing mode automatically. And click on it to pairing them. Finally. And the last one method, if all of this didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. So put your headphones to the charging case and then press and hold both of multifunctional buttons on your headphones for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now close the case, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Now on Android click pair new device, and then open the case, remove the headphones from the charging case, and pairing them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!